Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'm here with this ice cream maker. It is not the proper ice cream maker which we eat. These are to play with clay and all. So it is from a brand known as Daiso, Japan quality. Let's make ice cream bar tool set. So multicolor ice creams you can make, and they have the structure and what else, from dough like clay and some other dough sticky. With that you can make these ice cream bars and play. This is basically for kids to play, and but not below the age of 6. So below the age of under 3 they have mentioned, but I prefer 6. So let's open it and see how it looks like. So this is the proper packing of it, and you just need to tear it. Let me do that. Yes, now here it is. They have given 2 sticks with it and this ice cream maker, and it costed me around $1.7. You need to put your clay over here with multicolors. You can make in this pan, in this flip you can put red, yellow, green, whatever you want, and just you need to put this in between and do it like this and press and take out all the excess clay from outside, and then you're done. And the beautiful colorful and ice cream is there for your kids to play with. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.